Are you looking for the best pot fillers? In this video we will look at some of the best pot fillers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Havin Brass Pot Filler. The Havin Brass Pot Filler is a premium kitchen fixture designed to enhance convenience and functionality in your cooking space. Crafted from high-quality brass material, this pot filler faucet ensures exceptional durability and easy maintenance, making it an ideal addition to any modern kitchen. One of the standout features of the Havin Brass Pot Filler is its innovative and safe leak-free design. Equipped with dual handles and 2 ceramic valves, this pot filler guarantees a smooth turning action while preventing annoying and wasteful dripping. Moreover, the inclusion of a spare valve for future replacement further extends the lifespan of the product, demonstrating a commitment to longevity and practicality. Flexibility is another key attribute of the Havin Brass Pot Filler. The faucet boasts a 360 degrees rotatable dual-jointed swing spout, providing unparalleled maneuverability. This feature allows you to direct the flow of water precisely where it's needed, whether you're filling up large pots or pans. Additionally, the faucet offers the option to dispense either cold or hot water, thanks to its one-hole inlet wall mount design. Number 2. ALEASHA Solid Brass Made Pot Filler. The ALEASHA Solid Brass Made Pot Filler is an exceptional kitchen fixture designed to elevate your culinary experience while prioritizing durability, water conservation, and user-friendly functionality. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this pot filler boasts high-quality materials and innovative features that make it a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. One of the standout features of the ALEASHA pot filler is its exceptional construction using high-quality brass tubing. The core components of the product, including faucets, spouts, spools, and inlets, are made from low-lead copper with a lead content of less than 0.25%. This choice of materials ensures not only remarkable durability but also enhances the reliability of the pot filler, ensuring it withstands the rigors of daily use while maintaining the safety of your water supply. Water conservation is a crucial aspect of the ALEASHA pot filler's design philosophy. It incorporates a double shutoff feature that allows precise control over water flow. This feature not only enhances convenience but also helps reduce wasted water, contributing to a more eco-friendly kitchen. It's important to note that when not in use, both switches of the cold water faucet must be turned off to prevent any unintentional water flow. Number 3. Compat Fille. The Compat Filler is a high-quality kitchen fixture designed to enhance your cooking experience by providing convenient access to water right above your stove top. This pot filler is constructed with durability and functionality in mind, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Crafted from 1.5 mm thick SUS 304 stainless steel tubes, the Compat Filler boasts exceptional strength and longevity. Its brushed stainless surface maintains its pristine appearance even in the demanding conditions of a hot stove-top environment. The polished inner surface ensures that the water flowing through the pot filler remains uncontaminated and free from harmful materials. The pot filler is thoughtfully designed with a spout reach of 20.5 inches from the wall, allowing you to easily fill large pots without the need to carry them from the sink. The handles are positioned downward to prevent collision with cabinets, optimizing both safety and space efficiency. This design accommodates both cold and hot water options, providing flexibility for your culinary needs. Number 4. JZBRAIN Pot Filler. The JZBRAIN Pot Filler is a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen, designed to enhance your cooking experience with its innovative features and durable construction. Its standout feature is the flexible folding design, featuring a stretchable double-joint swing arm that can extend up to an impressive 21.75 inches. This extended reach eliminates the hassle of carrying heavy pots and pans across the kitchen, making it easy to fill them directly from the stove or countertop. Crafted from sturdy stainless steel with a polished finish, the JZBRAIN Pot Filler is built to withstand the demands of busy kitchens. Its robust construction ensures longevity and reliable performance even with frequent use, adding a touch of durability to your culinary workspace. Installation is a breeze with the JZBRAIN Pot Filler. Engineered for single-hole installation, it comes complete with all the necessary hardware, allowing you to set it up on your own. This not only saves you the expense of hiring a plumber but also ensures a hassle-free setup process. Number 5. Lepo Pot Filler Faucet. The Lepo Pot Filler Faucet is a premium kitchen fixture designed to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of modern kitchens. Crafted from industrial-grade brass, this wall-mounted stove kitchen faucet offers exceptional durability and reliability, ensuring a long-lasting addition to your culinary space. Its brushed nickel finish not only adds a touch of elegance but also complements the contemporary design of your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Lepo Pot Filler Faucet is its emphasis on convenience and ease of use. This faucet is specifically engineered to simplify the process of filling pots, providing homeowners with a hassle-free experience. The faucet boasts dual swing joints that can extend up to an impressive 26 inches in length. This extended reach makes it an ideal choice, even if you have more than 4 burners on your stove, ensuring that filling pots of various sizes becomes effortless and efficient. The faucet's exquisite workmanship is evident in its brushed nickel surface, which not only enhances its visual appeal but also offers practical benefits. The surface is resistant to scratches and corrosion, ensuring its longevity and maintaining its sleek appearance over time. Furthermore, the brushed nickel surface is resistant to oxidation, adding to the faucet's overall durability.